Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Slow English Conversation Practice. I'm Anna, your English teacher.
And I'm Mark, your English learner friend. Hello, everyone.
Today, we will practice English for everyday working conversations. You will hear simple, real conversations that you can use at work.
That's great. Many people want to speak English at work.
Yes. Today, we'll speak slowly. We'll repeat words. You can listen and also speak with us.
You can shadow us. That means you say the words together with us.
Exactly. So, get ready, relax, and let's begin. Now, let's talk about small talk, friendly talk at work.
Like when you speak with coworkers in the kitchen or near the coffee machine?
Exactly. People talk about the weather, their weekend, or simple things.
Okay, let's try.
Let's imagine we meet near the coffee machine. Hi, Mark. How's your morning?
Not bad, thanks. Just a bit busy. How about you?
I'm okay. I need some coffee before I start.
Haha, me too. I can't work without coffee.
Perfect. That's small talk. Let's repeat for our listeners. Slowly and clearly. Hi. How's your morning?
Not bad. Just a bit busy.
I need some coffee before I start.
I can't work without coffee.
You can also talk about the weather. For example, nice weather today.
Yes, it's sunny.
Or, oh, it's so cold today.
Or, I hope it doesn't rain later.
Exactly. Small talk helps people feel friendly at work. Part 3. Talking about work tasks. Now, let's talk about work tasks. How do you speak about your job, your work, your tasks?
I can say, I have a meeting at 10.
Yes. Let's repeat that. I have a meeting at 10. What else do you say at work?
I need to send an email.
Good. Let's repeat. I need to send an email. We can also say, I have a lot of work today. I'm working on a project. I need to finish this report.
Oh yes, that's me every day.
Let's practice shadowing together. Say after me, slowly. I have a lot of work today. I'm working on a project. I need to finish this report. Can I ask for help in English too?
Yes, that's important.
You can say, can you help me, please? Or, could you explain this to me?
Can you help me, please? Could you explain this to me?
Perfect pronunciation, Mark.
Thank you.
Now let's talk about phone conversations at work.
Oh, that's difficult.
Yes, many people feel nervous, but we'll make it simple. When you answer the phone, you can say, "Good morning, this is Mark," or, "Hello, Mark speaking."
Good morning, this is Mark. Hello, Mark speaking.
Perfect. And when you call someone, you can say, "Hello, may I speak to Anna, please?"
Hello, may I speak to Anna, please?
Good. If the person is not there, you can say, "Can I leave a message?"
Can I leave a message?
Excellent. Now let's try a full, short phone call.
Okay.
Ring, ring. Hello, this is Anna.
Hello, Anna. This is Mark. May I speak to you for a moment?
Sure, Mark. What's up?
I just wanted to ask about the meeting today. Is it at 10 or 11?
It's at 11. Don't worry, you have time.
Thanks a lot. See you later.
You're welcome. Bye. That's a very normal short phone talk at work. Let's repeat. May I speak to? Can I leave a message? See you later. When a meeting starts, someone usually says, "Let's begin," or "Let's start the meeting."
Let's begin. Let's start the meeting.
Perfect. Sometimes you can also hear, "Thanks everyone for joining." "Thanks for coming."
Thanks everyone for joining. Thanks for coming.
Good. Now let's imagine I'm your manager. "Good morning, everyone. Let's start the meeting. Today we'll talk about the new project."
Good morning. Sounds good.
Before we start, does anyone have any questions?
No, everything is clear.
Okay, great. Let's begin. That's how meetings often start. Very simple, right?
Yes, simple and polite.
Now let's learn how to share ideas. When you have an idea, what can you say?
Maybe I have an idea?
Exactly. Let's repeat. I have an idea. Or, I'd like to suggest something.
Let's try a short example.
We need to find new clients. Any ideas?
I have an idea. We can use social media to find clients.
That's a great suggestion.
Thank you.
Nice. Now let's practice for the listeners. Say after us. I have an idea. I'd like to suggest something. We can try this. That's a great idea.
You can also use polite words like, maybe we could. What if we tried? Like this, maybe we could call old customers. What if we tried a new design?
Perfect, Mark. Now, in meetings, people sometimes agree and sometimes disagree. Let's practice how to do that politely.
Okay.
To agree, you can say, "I agree." "That's true." "You're right." "Good point."
I agree. That's true. You're right. Good point.
Excellent. And when you don't agree, be polite. You can say, "I see your point, but I'm not sure about that. I think we need more information."
Let's practice. I see your point, but maybe it's too expensive. I'm not sure about that. I think we need more information.
Great job. Remember, be polite, not too strong.
Yes, because teamwork means respect.
Exactly. Now, in meetings, people sometimes don't understand everything. It's okay to ask questions.
Yes, I often don't understand everything in English meetings.
That's normal. Here are some phrases you can use. "Could you repeat that, please?" "Could you say that again?" "What do you mean?" "Sorry, I didn't catch that."
Sorry, I didn't catch that. I like that one. It sounds natural.
Yes, people say that often. Let's practice shadowing for our listeners. "Could you repeat that, please?" "Could you say that again?" "What do you mean?" "Sorry, I didn't catch that."
If I want to make sure I understood, can I say, so you mean?
Perfect. That's very good. So, you mean we should finish by Friday?
Exactly.
Now, let's talk about teamwork, working with other people.
Yes. Teamwork is important.
When you work in a team, use positive words. Say things like, "Let's work together." "Let's share ideas." "Can I help you with that?"
Can I help you with that? That's a kind sentence.
Yes, and it makes people like working with you. "What if I need help from someone?"
Then you can say, could you help me with this? Can you give me a hand?
"Can you give me a hand?" That's funny.
Haha. Yes, it means, can you help me? Let's repeat together. Let's work together. Can I help you with that? Could you help me with this? Can you give me a hand?
When you finish something together, say, "Good job, team. Well done. We did it."
That's nice. It makes everyone happy.
Yes, it builds teamwork spirit. Now, in meetings, people often give updates. They say what they finished or what they're doing.
Yes, like a short report.
Exactly. You can start with, "So far, I finished, I'm still working on, I need more time for." Let's try an example. "Mark, how is your project going?"
It's going well. So far, I finished the design, but I need more time for the report.
Good update. Now, listeners, repeat after Mark. "It's going well. So far, I finished the design. I need more time for the report." You can also add details. "The client liked the idea. We plan to finish next week."
That's useful for meetings.
Yes, short and clear sentences are best. Okay, now let's finish the meeting. At the end, someone usually says, "Let's wrap up," or "Let's finish here."
Wrap up. That means to finish, right?
Yes, it means to close or complete something. Let's repeat. Let's wrap up. Let's finish here. Then you can say, "Thanks everyone for your time. Good job today. Let's meet again next week."
Thanks everyone for your time. Good job today. Let's meet again next week.
Perfect. Can I also say, "Have a nice day"? Yes, that's friendly and nice. Have a nice day. See you soon.
See you soon.
Let's do a short review before we finish.
Okay.
We practiced starting a meeting, sharing ideas, agreeing and disagreeing, asking for clarification, teamwork and updates, ending a meeting.
Yes, that's a lot of useful English.
Let's say some key sentences together. Listeners, repeat after us slowly. Let's start the meeting. I have an idea. I agree. I'm not sure about that. Could you repeat that, please? Can you help me with that? I finished the report. Let's wrap up. Good job, everyone. Excellent. Now you can use all these sentences at work.
I feel more confident now.
That's great, Mark. And remember, the key is to practice slowly and often.
Yes, speak a little every day and you will improve.
Exactly. Listeners, listen to this episode again and shadow our voices. Try to speak with the same rhythm and tone.
Practice makes perfect.
Yes, thank you for joining us today for Slow English Conversation Practice.
See you next time.
Bye for now, everyone.